2, 1.
So hello everyone. So let me share to you the criminology trivia questions for today. So the question is, which theory suggests that people commit crimes due to the absence of capable guardians, motivated offenders, and suitable targets? So what do you think is the correct answer? So of course the correct answer is routine activities theory. So let me explain this theory. So this theory is developed by Cohen and Pelson. This theory states that crime occurs when motivated offender encounters a suitable target without capable guardian to prevent it. So ayon kina Lawrence Cohen at Marcus Pelson in 1979, ang routine activities theory ay nagpapaliwanag na ang krimen ay nagaganap kapag ang tatlong pangunahing elemento ay magkakasabay na umiiral. Ano itong tatlong elemento? Una, itong tinatawag nating motivated offender, isang taong may intensyon o motibong gumagawa ng krimen. Pangalawa, suitable target, isang taong mahina o isang bagay na madaling pagtripan o nakawin. Pangatlo, itong tinatawag nating absence of capable guardian. Walang pulis, CCTV, walang security guard, o ibang tao na maaaring pumigil sa krimen. So the routine activities theory shows that crime does not occur solely because of the offender's motive, but also due to the opportunity provided by the situation. Therefore, improving security, avoiding being an easy target, and ensuring the presence of capable guardians are effective ways to prevent crime. So that's all. Huwag kalimutang mag-follow, react, comment, add to favorites, at i-share para laging updated sa mga bagong videos na aking i-upload.